Hello folks, this is your view channel. My name is Martin. Today I will show you how to make the dumplings dough or the noodles dough. And this dough is very used a lot, and you can control how much water you add to it, and to make the dough is more harder or more soft. The main ingredients we need to make this noodles dough or dumplings dough. Sometimes used to make bread. This dough, it's used a lot, do a lot of stuff. And this dough, and the main ingredient we need unbleached all-purpose flour. It doesn't matter which brand. Yeah, we need to use all-purpose unbleached flour. Doesn't matter which brand we use to make this dough. So today I'll show you how to make it. We add 6 cups of wheat flour into the pot. 6 cups wheat flour. Add 6 cups of wheat flour to the pot. After add 6 cups of wheat flour, all-purpose unbleached wheat flour, and we add the 1 cup of water. Just slowly add with a chopstick or a staff to one direction to mix it. One direction to mix it. Just slowly add to the dough. Don't all add to it unless you use a mixer machine to do it. Just one direction to mix it. This is the second cup of cold tap water. The same thing, just mix it and one direction to add, slowly add to it. Don't add all once. You can mix one direction, or you also can mix like this. It's also good. Just don't add the water all into it unless you use a mixing machine. Already add 2 cups, so we're supposed to add 2 cups and a quarter cup of water to the 6 cup wheat flour. It's already measured before. After we add this much of 2 cups, then we use the hand to mix it. Right now we just can make the dough to make it to be like this, to make push it, make it with hand. Remember to wash your hands before you do this. And then you can mix them. So like this, or like this, to let it fall dough. What do you want to do? Just try to want to make it fall dough. So you just use the water to, if you want to make noodles, your dumpling, we want soft dough. This is dumpling dough. If you want to make noodle doughs, you add this much already at 2 cups water. You can just like roll them together. If you can't roll them together, you can wait, add weight, and to cover it weight, stay the dough. Then when dough become softer again, you can roll those into it. But right now we add together. This is a quarter cup water. Slowly add to it with the finger. Okay, to make it mix it. The water still not sticky, so add all to it to make it like them the form of the. Remember, if you make a dough, this is usually take a long time to do it, because if you want the dough to be good, so you can do it earlier. If you want to make the noodles or dumplings, you make this dough probably 1 hour earlier, because you can't just roll and make the dough okay, because you still need to stay there for a long time, make the dough more great. The best. Okay, more rest flour to it. So we use a 2 cup and a quarter cup of totally water and 6 cup of unbleached all-purpose wheat flour to make this dough. You just need to remember in your mind, and you can't make this dough perfect. Just roll it or mix them together. You still need to wait. It takes time to wait and to let the dough be still there for a long time to make this dough be very good. So when you make noodles, you need to plan it earlier, because it takes time. If you right now you see it already formed a dough, but this dough is very rough. It's not smooth at all. So right now we get our hand with the doughs with flour and off our hand. And then we roll it. We can't roll to make this dough be perfect. And we have 3 rules called 3 smooth rule. The very good dough will be the hand is clear, the dough is smooth, and the pot is clear after you roll the dough. There are 3 clear rules to make a perfect dough. Okay, right now we just leave this dough here and cover the dough, and here the hole is just cover it. Cover the dough and don't let the dough dry, and let it stay there for 20-25 minutes. We roll again. After 25 minutes, you can see right now the dough is very soft and easy to roll. You just roll like this, then turn over roll like this. After this, then move this like this and roll. You see there's some dough on the pot, so we use to scratch it to get it off the pot. Right now it's very soft. It's not hard because it's very the moisture. Just scratch it like all the wheat flour falls down. Scratch it and all the wheat flour fall down. Then you roll those wheat flour into it. Okay, right now the dough is kind of clear and the pot is clear. My hand is clear. We just cover it, let it stay there for 20 minutes, and then we roll again. This dough will be done. After 20 minutes, then we roll this dough again. Right now dough is very soft. It's not, but not very. Soft, but not very soft. It's soft and it's right for to make the dumplings. So we just roll it. So the dumpling or noodles dough, this dough is done. And I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.